My children have picked up a bird, a sick little bird. I thought at first, it was dying, but when they brought it home, yeah, it started picking up. It started moving, but it was hiding its little head under its wings, and I realized it was because the little bird was afraid of the new environment. It couldn't fly, it couldn't spread its wings to fly, so I don't really know what's wrong with this little bird, and I don't know what to do with it apart from keeping it safe in this little box. I can't let it go because it can't fly. It can be eaten by other big birds or cats, so I'm keeping it in this little box, and feeding it with some grains, some rice. So I really don't know what to do with it. If you can advise, please let me know, because we don't have people who take care of these kind of situations here. Do we call them vets? Do we call them bird doctors? I don't know what we call them, but I really don't know what to do apart from keeping it safe in this little box. If you can advise, please let me know in the comments and tell me what to do with this little creature. Little helpless creature which needs to be taken care of. Yeah, let me show you what it looks like in this little home of I don't want it to jump out of the box, because it can hurt itself. So this is what I'm talking about. This is the bird. This is it. It doesn't look great. It doesn't look good. Maybe it's sick of something. I don't know what. I don't know what to do with this. Please advise. Please advise. Hey, buddy, little bird. Hey, what's up there? What's up over there? I hope you're gonna be alright. If you can fly, please do. If you can't, please stay quiet until you recover. You understand? So I'm going to keep you in this little box until you recover. Until you can prove me that you can really fly, that you can spread your wing and fly. So this is it. I can't let it go in the wild because it can't fly. And we have roaming cats in the neighborhood, so the little bird can be eaten alive, and I don't want this to happen. So let me close the box and keep it safe in the meantime, as I wait for it to recover from whatever it is suffering from. Yeah, that's it, people.